Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a interesting work named The Cat and the Painkiller. The Cat and the Painkiller, which is extracted from The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. That is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, which is written by Mark Twain. Now we are going to look at a note about the novel, that is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. And that before going to look at the novel, I would like to explain some glossaries in this work. Hoop is nothing but a ring. Infatuated means admiration, that is inspiration. Okay, the next thing is remedies means medication and solution for the problems. Blister blaster, that is a blaster that is not heal but reduce the blister. That is a blister blaster to reduce the swelling on the skin, which is used to the swelling of the skin. The next one is proclaiming. Proclaiming means to announce something publicly. Okay, that is the meaning of proclaim. And somersaults. Somersaults means a forward roll in which the head is placed on the ground. That is there is a forward roll in which the head is placed on the head. That is a roll towards forward and the head is on the ground. So this is the thing. The next one is war whoop. That means I will utter in making an attack. That is to yelling. That is to make a voice loudly. Okay. Pertified means extremely frightened. And winced means flinch. Numbskull means fool. Gravity means pull. A thimble means a small metal or plastic cap. Just closed end. Plunks, act of casting. That is a thrusting forcefully or suddenly into something liquid. That is plunks means to act something. That is suddenly into something liquid. Okay. The next one is quack. Quack means ignorant. Okay. So ignorant pretend to medical skill. That is quack means that is to ignore something. For that we have to pretend like we like it. That is exactly as that. That is to pretend something that like. But in literally a person dislike the things. So this is the meaning of quack. Professing means climbing something fastly. Okay. Frenzy means a state of uncontrolled excitement. That is frenzy means that is uncontrolled excitement. This is the meaning of frenzy. About the author, that is about the Mark Twain. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a novel which is written in 1876. That is the work Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It's a novel which is written in the year 1876 by the famous author Mark Twain. And he was born on 13 November 1835. And his original name is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. His original name is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. That is, he is commonly known as Mark Twain. And he was an American writer. He was an American writer, lecturer, and also a publisher and a humorist. Humorist means comedian. Okay. And he died due to heart attack in the year 1910 on April 21. So this is the biography of the author Mark Twain. A note about the novel. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a novel about a young boy, Tom Sawyer, growing up along the Mississippi River at St. Petersburg. Tom Sawyer lives with his Aunt Polly and his brother Sid. He is up to all sorts of mischief, but very cleverly he escapes from the punishments that are given to him. He finds school life miserable, but after Becky Thatcher's arrival in town, he is a bit happy to go to the school. Even that happiness does not last long, as Becky falls ill, doesn't come to the school for a very long time. Bored of school, Tom, with his friends Joe Harper and Hug, ran away to an island in the Mississippi called Jackson Island to become a pirate. People in the town think that they all died, but to the pleasant shock of everyone, they arrive at their own funeral. The Cat and the Painkiller is one of the episodes of Tom Sawyer where we find him playing pranks on his Aunt Polly, who loves him very much but doesn't show her love outwardly in order to make Tom a good boy. That is, as I told you that The Cat and the Painkiller is a novel. So in that, sorry, that is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a novel. So in that there is an episode which is named at The Cat and the Painkillers. So this is the episode we are going to see. Okay, so before I'm stepping towards the episode of The Cat and the Painkiller, I would like to explain the outline of The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, that is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. In the title itself, we have some clue. That is, this is the story about Tom Sawyer. So Tom Sawyer is the main character. Okay, what is the meaning of Adventures of Tom Sawyer? That is, Tom is involving some adventures. So this is the title significance. Okay, that is, it's a story about Tom Sawyer who is involving some adventures. So that the title is named as The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. That is, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a big novel. Okay, so in it there is an episode which is named as The Cat and the Painkiller. So this is a thing we are going to see in our class. Okay, and before I'm stepping towards The Cat and the Painkiller, I would like to explain the adventures of Tom Sawyer. That is, this novel is about there is a Tom. So Tom Sawyer is the protagonist and who is a young boy. Okay, and who doesn't have any parents, but still he is brought up by his aunt. That is, his aunt name is Aunt Polly. Okay, and Aunt Polly, Tom Sawyer, they are leading their life at the Mississippi riverside, exactly at St. Petersburg. Okay, that is, Tom is the only one person who doesn't have any brothers. Yes, so he is having only one brother. Okay, so that is, Tom is the only one person. He doesn't have the parents, but he is brought up by his aunt, who is named as Aunt Polly, and he has one brother who is named as Sid. Where they are leading their life? They are leading their life at Mississippi River, especially at St. Petersburg. So this is a place where Tom lead their life with Aunt Polly. Tom Sawyer lives with his Aunt Polly and his brother. So Aunt Polly is the only one person who gives love to Tom and Sid. Okay, who is Sid? Sid is brother of Tom Sawyer. Okay, that is, the Tom's life is entirely seems as mischief. That is, his entire life is filled with sadness. He doesn't have any happiness in his life. So likewise, his life is goes. And in the middle of his lives, he met a girl named Becky Thatcher. Okay, so Becky Thatcher, who is arrived in the town, and after the meeting with Becky Thatcher, Tom's life has been changed. That is, he started to enjoy his life. So likewise, his life goes on. Okay, that is, Becky and Tom, they are studying in the same school. Yes, that is, they are friends. Even that happiness doesn't long as Becky falls ill and doesn't come to the school for a very long time. That is, as I told you that Tom's life is entirely seemed as a sad one, and because he don't have the parents and he don't have the happiness in his lives, but in the middle of his lives he met a girl named Becky, and Becky is the only one reason for Tom's happiness. Okay, that is, they are studying at the same school. Okay, and after the meeting with that is, after Becky's enter in Tom's life only, Tom started to enjoy his life. But this happiness is not as long, because in the mid, Becky falls as ill and she stopped her school. So, on that particular time, Tom started to miss Becky and he dislikes his life. Okay, so this is the thing happening here. That is, when Becky is absent in school, Tom is bored of school, and Tom and his friend Joe Harper and Hug. Here, there is two friends is there. That is Joe Harper and Hug. So these people are friend of Tom. So they are, that is Tom, Joe Harper, and Hug. They decide to move towards the island in the Mississippi called Jackson Island. Okay, that is Tom, Hug, and Joe Harper. They decide to run away towards the island as Jackson Island to become a pirate. So, what is the meaning of pirate? That is a person who is thefting things from the ship. Okay, so for that they decided to move towards the island named as Jackson Island. But people in their hometown that they are dead. But to the pleasant shock of everyone, they arrive at their own funeral. But in Tom's town, people thought that that is Becky, Hug, Jahopper or died. So that they are arranged some funerals for these people. But in shock, unexpectedly, Becky, sorry, that is Tom, Jack, and Hug. They all return towards the town, and people are shocked that is the people thought that Tom and his friends all died, but unfortunately, that is fortunately, they all returned towards the town. Have you understood? That is the simple thing. That is, Tom and his friends they decide to run away towards the Jackson Island. Okay, and that is they went to the island and they were spending the time on the Mississippi River at the Jackson Island. Okay, but in the town people thought that is in the town there is Tom is not there. Yes, so that the town people thought that Tom and his friends all died, so that they all arranged the funerals for these people. But fortunately, Tom and his friends returned towards the town, which made the people to feel shock. Yes, the next thing is the Cat and the Painkiller is the one of the episodes of Tom Sawyer. As I told you that the Cat and the Painkiller is one of the episodes from the novel which is named as The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Yes, so this is a thing. That is how the cat and the painkiller. What is the meaning of cat and the painkiller? That is the cat is there and painkiller is a remedy. Yes, is a remedy for some problem. Yes, so here in this work, how Tom played with his aunt. So this is the main thing is we are going to see. Becky Thatcher, his friend, had stopped coming to school. This disturbed Tom. He became unhappy. The charm of life was gone. There was nothing but boredom left. He put his hoop away and his bat. There was no joy in them anymore. So his Aunt Polly was concerned. She was infatuated with patent medicines and all new methods of producing health or mending it. She was an incurable experimenter in these things. That is, Becky Thatcher is the friend of Tom. When Becky Thatcher is affected by illness, she stopped the school. So which disturbed Tom and he became unhappy. After that, he feels very bored in his school time and he put away his hoop away, which means that ring. Okay, so he put away his hoop and his bat and he feels very sad. Okay, so when he was very sad, his aunt Polly, who is noticed that Tom is very sad, so that he wants to recover Tom from the sadness, so that she prepared some medicines for Tom. So let's see. She began to try all the manners of remedies on Tom. The water treatment was new now, and Tom's love condition was windfall to her. She had him out at daylight every morning, stood by him up in the woodshed, and drowned him in cold water. Then she rubbed him hard down with a towel like a file. Then she rolled up him in a wet sheet and put him away under blankets. So that is when Aunt Polly noticed that Tom was disturbed, that she could understand that Tom was affected by some illness. And in another side, Aunt Polly is very good in experiments in order to cure the illness. So that she tried a lot of remedies in order to avoid the illness of Tom. Yes, the first remedy is she had him out at daylight every morning. That is, she made Tom to stand at a daylight at every morning, and Tom is also that is his aunt is also stood at outer side, and she is also watching that whether Tom is standing or not. And she drowned him in cold water. That is, Aunt Polly drowned Tom in a cold water, and then she rubbed him with a towel. That is, so first remedy is Aunt Polly made Tom to stand at daylight at every morning, and the second remedy is she drowned Tom in a cold water and she rubbed Tom with a towel. And then she used a wet sheet to make him as rolled. That is, she rolled him up in a wet sheet. Okay, so that is, she used a wet sheet and she made him as a rolled and put him away under blankets. That is, she used a wet sheet and then she made him to rolled in the wet sheet. So likewise, she is made some experiments in order to avoid the illness of Tom. Okay. Yet notwithstanding all this, the boy grew more and more sad and pale and dejected. She added hot baths, sit baths, shower baths, and plunks. That is, Aunt Polly thought that she is very good at experiments in order to avoid the illness, so that she prepared a lot of medicine to cure Tom. So that she used a kinds of baths like shower bath, sit bath, and hot bath. So likewise, she used to prepare some remedies for Tom.